Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about using the font manager to put your favorite fonts in the collection. I started thinking not everybody might not know where font manager is. I actually have an icon for it on my desktop that's Corel Font Manager. But if you don't have that, you can go exactly where the same place is to launch Corel Paint. There's Corel Font Manager right there. You just double click on it and Font Manager will start. And if you didn't watch the first video on how to uh, bring fonts into your collection or even into a folder called favorites, it's a pretty cool trick. It started in, I think, with X8, and now with 2019 it's the same, maybe got a little bit better, but it's a pretty neat deal because you can put a collection of fonts into a folder that you can use at a different time. And like right now, we wanted to go to my fonts and look at my collection. Here's all my fonts, but if I want to look at my collection, there's my collection of fonts that I've built, that I use or will use, and I'll add to it. It saves you a lot of time instead of having to scroll through 881 fonts like I have, and there's people that have thousands of fonts. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.